Is pulling 5-10 kilos even humanly possible? For most lifters, it's unthinkable, but Thor is about to prove it, and the road to this lift has been nothing but struggle. By the way, if you want fitness news before it hits anywhere else, hit follow right now. The plan for the Mutant World Deadlift Championship on September 6th is simple but brutal. Open at 420, then leap to 470, and finally attack 510, his own world record. Those massive 50 kilo jumps are risky, but that's exactly how he thrives. Still, the struggle won't be over there. Will that 510 pull fry his lower back and cost him points in the rest of the events like Viking Press, the front hold, or the loading race at the Strongman Open? Those are his winning events, and if he delivers there, no one can touch him. He admitted this prep is going better than the last one at Eisenhart, the contest where he broke the deadlift record, and that's why he believes the 510 attempt could be his strongest ever. This was his final heavy session before stepping on stage in Birmingham, and while most lifters would call 410 kilos a lifetime max, he dismissed it as nothing more than a light session. He stacked the bar with his usual 50 kilo jump, showing no hype, no theatrics, just cold confidence. There was just one light session left on Monday before traveling to Birmingham on Wednesday, and he was super stoked. During his last deadlift session, he caught the flu that had been spreading everywhere with kids going back to school and parents getting sick. But luckily, it was nothing serious, just a sour throat and a cough. His solution, sauna heat and oregano oil, the nasty cure that helped him bounce back. Once the barbell work was done, the struggle wasn't over. He dragged farmer's carries outside, pushing 76 kilos per hand for 20 meters, slightly heavier than competition weight. Then came the sandbag carry, lifting and moving 165 kilos, which was absolutely horrible. But you gotta train for peak strength while also build shorter endurance. He finished by declaring it's not just about extending his own record, it's about proving he can dominate the full show. His words, it's mine to win or mine to lose. So now the only question left is, after attempting 510, will his body hold up or break down to continue strong and win other events? Don't forget to like and share with your friends.